So now let's eat. By the way guys, we are here in Go Resort for dinner. So this is I ordered vegetable, mixed vegetable. So, no shrimp. Since we are here in province, so we need to eat the veggies. It is time for me to eat different veggies here in La Union. So let's eat na. Mag-eat na ang person. Veggies. I eat the veggies. Oh, that's good. Let's eat. Veggies. So, ginataang kalabasa. Wow. Wow, I like it. Yummy.
That's what I want to hear.
Very nice. Very good. One year. It's been a year before I eat this ginataang gulay. Because before I'm cooking this with my mom, but since my mom cannot eat them with cocoa milk, so that's why I stopped feeding to mom. So this is for the almost a year. So let's eat. Sarap. Very yummy.